Hello. I've got a deal here it's called Keysfan.com. They're doing a 52% off and a 62% off sale right now, which they're sharing these here coupon codes with me to give out. These here will be applied during checkout, so you got to remember to put these codes in when you're going through the cart checkout process, just so you know that. The ones I want to really cover right now are Windows 11, because the reason I'm going to cover these, as you know, Windows 10 in support very soon, actually just in a few days now. You can buy longer support for Windows 10 through Microsoft. Some people don't know that, but you can. But another way is to also upgrade. So for a system that is a fresh build, a custom build system that is the motherboard isn't licensed yet for Windows 11 or 10 for a free upgrade, this is how you have to get it on a site like this. Now, the thing with these, and the thing with a lot of these type sites, they're not legit. They are scams, or they install also malware or adware with them when you download this stuff. So, this one is a legit site. So there's also other products than just what's on sale, but you won't get these sale offers with the other products. So yeah, just check out. There is a link of all the sale products, which is what I'm on right now. And then there's different specials like highlighted down in the video description also. Everything's delivered digitally to your email once you do purchase, and quickly. So it's not like you're waiting on delivery of these products. So immediate delivery, kind of fine print here. Safe payment, shop with confidence, and then they do have support too if you have any troubles. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Just check them out. They seem like a really great company, easy for me to deal with so far, and so they definitely deserve your business. One other thing I do want to mention, these here prices are the sale prices. Don't think it's 52% off of these here prices. These are the sale prices, so just so you know that. Okay, thanks for watching today, and like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.